might injure somebody. Turn your face this side. Now we put a gel on the face. We divide it into basically primarily 4 areas. One cheek, the other side, half of the neck, and that side of the neck. Upper lip and chin we'll do separately. And I would like to increase the number of kilojoules that I want to deliver. So it will take us 160 seconds to get to a point where one side of the cheek is done. It's about 100 square centimeter, this thing. We'll start off now. If you have any discomfort, you let me know. This is very important, you have to wear this. Otherwise, if you drop the handpiece, there's many lakhs gone. So we started. Just spreading the gel right now. Starting off. Are you fine?
No. This small sheet of
With the shaving note, we will not be touching that part. We will not be touching that part. You okay? Any discomfort?
No, it's just pricking a little bit.
After a while, the area gets a little warm. When that happens, you let me know. We'll stop it for a few seconds. Put some cold gel. That's why having a good assistant is very important.
It's very hot.
Hot? You want a cold gel, no?
Keshav, do we have cold gel? Can we put it somewhere in the eyes?
It's hot, but it's not uncomfortably hot.
No, it's not.
Gel bottle, no?
Jawline is an area which hurts a little bit.
Gel bottle.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You know it's very hot. You do it in any direction that you want to do it. There's no specific direction. You do it in a circular manner also, I guess. Important thing is not to go beyond the marked areas, because if you touch very soft hair, then obviously paradoxical hair growth is a possibility.
You want a gel?
One gel you can give me.
Just
No problem.
see in SHR we are treating the area most of the conventionally we treat the area only once.
As compared to the NDR that you've been undergoing, you feel it's less discomfort in this?
Yeah, it's less painful.
Out of 10, what would you rate this as? How do you feel?
2.
And what about the NDR that you've been taking? What would you rate that as?
7.
7. You've done with more than halfway on this cheek. 50 seconds more.
This is a stack mode or no stack?
This is the stack mode that we're doing. This is the continuous mode that we're doing. Stack mode is meant more for smaller areas. Upper lip, if somebody has very short side locks, you could do it from the stack mode. Larger areas, you do it two times I've had burns, but they have been superficial burns. Skin type has been similar to hers, and they happen with jawline area. They're superficial and they kind of heal without any sequelae. Last 20 seconds to go. Very hot. Course, but I couldn't see it right now.
No, now it's come fine.
Fine now? Underlying hormonal disturbances?
No, familiar.
You're done with one side. Find the rest of it and we'll later go. Check the for demo. I will do that. So would you say it was 3 or 2? What was it like?
We have other side locks.
It just gets a little warmer near the
Take her aside and we can
jawline.
clean her.
Jawline also, and
The
even
cheeks.
near the side locks it gets a little warmer.